Welcome to Kaiko Lessons. The chapter which we are going to discuss today is Teamwork, which is taken from the book Marigold, English, Class 5, NCERT syllabus. And this is Prithvi Vinod who is going to present you this video. Teamwork. Do you like to work and play with others? Yes. Let's sing and dance. Teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. Let us see the new words and their meanings. Teamwork, combined effort of a group. Hoop, here. Wooden or iron ring trundle along by child. Passes, move onward. Relay race, race between teams of which each person does part of the distance. Baton, short tube or a stick carried in relay race. Let's read. Complete the following sentences. If nobody passes the ball in a basket game, then you can't shoot. In a relay race, if no one passes the baton, then the race can't go on. Think and write. Name the team members needed for the following. To play cricket, we need batsmen, bowlers, fielders, and coaches. To make a film, we need producers, directors, actors, and cameramen. To run a good school, we need teachers, principal, students, and peon. To run a restaurant, we need chefs, manager, waiters, and customers. Complete the sets of rhyming words. One has been done for you. Words from the poem, and this is your own words. Team, beam, plus, bus, done, none, hoop, loop, shoot, root, goal, coal, joy, boy. Read the poem. For want of a nail. For want of a nail, the shoe was lost. For want of a shoe, the horse was lost. For want of a horse, the rider was lost. For want of a rider, the battle was lost. For want of a battle, the kingdom was lost. And all for the want of a horseshoe nail. Traditional rhyme. Now form questions for the answers given in the speech bubbles. The shoe was lost because of the nail. What should be the question? Why was the shoe lost? The kingdom was lost because the battle could not be fought. The question is, why was the kingdom lost? The battle was lost because there was no rider. Why was the battle lost? Now make three more questions and answers from the poem. Teamwork. What can we share with teamwork? We can share joy with teamwork. Where we should put our eyes on. We should put our eyes on common goal. What is the teamwork? It is you or me becoming us. Picture composition. Look at the picture and answer the questions in one sentence using the word clues given in the box. These are the clues: plumber, painter, mason, electrician, laborer, carpenter, and gardener. Who is laying the bricks? A mason is laying the bricks. Who is holding the ladder? The laborer is holding the ladder. Who is the man on the ladder? An electrician is on the ladder. Who is making the door? The carpenter is making the door. Who is painting the walls? The painter is painting the walls. Now make up a story about the picture. Give names to the people. Write the story showing the importance of teamwork. My grandmother was going to build a house. I wondered how the house would be made. My grandmother told me that it was teamwork. He asked a contractor, Mukesh, to build the house. Mukesh had a team of workers. His mason Lalchand and a few laborers started to build walls, and plumber Manu laid water pipes. Bhatia, the electrician, did all the electrical work. Ram Swarup, the carpenter, fitted the doors and windows. Ram Lochan, the painter, did a wonderful work on the wall. I was surprised how, with the teamwork, the contractor finished all the work in short time. Let's talk. In a group of five, discuss what you enjoy doing alone and what you like doing in a group. Now prepare a list as shown below. Things I like doing alone: watching television, listening to music, and reading a book. Things I like doing in a group: playing football, going for a movie, and going for a shopping. In your family, what activities are done individually and as a group? My mother decides what shall be cooked in dinner. My father decides what all items needs to be purchased. I decide the place for our vacations. We decide the timings for every member to watch television. In a group, my main activity: picnic, fair or mela, cricket match, etc., which you enjoy. The rest of the class should guess the activity and say whether it is done in a group or alone. Let's write. In the puzzle, find the words given in the column. Notice that these words are formed by joining two words. One is done for you. Find some more such words. Sometime, some plus time. Everyone, every plus one. Basketball, basket plus ball. Nobody, no plus body. Teamwork, team plus worker. Pattern, bat plus on. Stand by, stand plus by. Let's write a poem. I have a kite, but need a friend to fly it with. I know a song, but need someone to hear it. I have a ball, but need someone to catch it. I have a paper, but need someone to write it. I have a guitar, but need someone to play it. I have a gun, but need someone to shoot it. I have a poem, but need someone to read it. Time. Make groups of 10 and present one of the following activities in the class: skit, song, dance, painting a chart for class, making paper bags from old newspaper. Say aloud. We sometimes use short form for some words. For example, we use I am for I am and I have for I have. These shortened words are called contractions. The mark is an apostrophe which shows where the letter are left out. Now read together. We will. It can be written as we apostrophe double L. And cannot can be written as can't. We have. We apostrophe ve. Like this, you have, there is, what have, we are, they are. Use apostrophe instead of the letters. Write the contractions for the following phrases: has not, hasn't, have not, haven't, do not, don't, are not, aren't. Write the full forms for the followings: weren't, were not, she will, wasn't, was not, who is, who is. Thank you, kids.